Log into TP Link router settings with the username and password. Log into TP Link router settings page. Go to System Tools, then Firmware Upgrade. Choose File. Choose the file needed for upgrade. It is a bin file. Select the bin file. Now upgrade. Say OK. Error code 18005 occurs. Upgrade unsuccessfully because the version of the upgraded file was incorrect. Please check the file name. Error code 18005. Go to TP Link site, choose the correct hardware version and download the appropriate file. Not the hardware version, here it is version 10. So choose hardware version as v10 version 10. Now go to firmware, download the firmware file. Download the firmware file. Now extract the file. Right click and extract the file. Now go to router settings page, choose file. Choose file. Move to extracted folder and select the correct bin file. Now upgrade. Say OK. Processing. Please wait until system reboots. Software upgraded successfully. Restarting. Completed. Please wait a moment. If the browser does not refresh automatically, click refresh on the top of your browser. That's all. Subscribe.